Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab Active3 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, just open the folder, tap to this plus icon and select the other applications which you want to add, tap to done to save the changes. You could give a name to this folder or to rename it just by tap on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. Tap to done and that's it. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. Just to remove the application from here, hold the icon and drag it to the home screen. Also, you could just hold the application and remove it from the home screen and from the folder. And also we could just remove the folder with all of the applications by this way. And also we could hold for a while the application, tap to select a couple of apps and to create the new folder. So as you can see, that's so simple. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.